Good morning everyone, this is Neha. Finally day 5 of our regular practice for back pain. Kindly practice this 10 minutes of series after your regular workout to find better results in your back pain. Let's get started. We are going to start with a regular stretch for the spine, which I have already been telling that this is like a blessing. You have to practice this one particular posture every day, that is cat and cow posture. So one arm distance between both the knee, one arm and one palm. Now from here, take your entire attention to the spine, keep your fingers open. Now close your eyes. As you inhale, you're going to take your spine all the way in, look up. Exhale, round your shoulder, look down to the stomach. Inhale up. Exhale, look down to the stomach. Inhale up. Exhale down. Center. Now from here, you're going to lie down on your back. Lie down, keep your spine relaxed. Now both the hands next to the hip. Keep your knee bent. Your knee and your ankle should be in straight line. Keep your both the heels hip width apart. Don't keep them too close or don't keep them too wide. Just keep them slightly apart from each other. Palm facing down. Rolling your shoulders back. As you inhale, you're going to focus on your lower back. You're going to lift your hip up, very mild, and exhale down. Once again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, roll your shoulder back, interlock your both the fingers, stay there. 3, focus on your spine. 2, 1, release your hands, slowly drop your knee down. Now bend your both the knee to the chest. Give a tight hug to yourself. You can see a mild stretch or a mild sensation in your lower back. Inhale completely. While you exhale, you're going to lift your forehead towards your knee. If you can't get your forehead to the knee, if you're just here, that's okay. If you're here, that's okay. Try to just practice and don't look for the perfection. If you find it difficult to lift your forehead, even you can keep your head on the floor and be here. Choose whatever works well for you. You're going to stay here for 3 counts. 3, 2, 1. Now, let your knee be wherever it is. Open up your both the arms to shoulder level. You're going to drop your both the knee closer to the right hand on the floor, right side. Turn your head to the left. If you think this deep stretch is difficult for you, you can also keep your knee slightly lower or up. But make sure that both the shoulders should be on the floor. Now come to center, drop it down, same thing to the other side. Look out. See, if you are lifting your shoulder, because most of the cases you will end up lifting your shoulder just to drop your knee down, please avoid that. If your knee is little down, that's okay, but your shoulder has to be on the floor. Breathe in, breathe out, slowly come back to center. From here, drop your heels down and then stretch your both the legs out. Now, focus on your lower back. Keep your both the hands down next to the hip. Lift only your one leg at a time. Right leg up. When you lift one leg at a time, it helps to release your spine. If you lift your both the legs, then without your own knowledge, you'll end up putting a lot of effort on your spine. So avoid lifting your both the legs up if you have a back pain. Lift only one leg at a time. It's okay whether you could go to 90 degree or 30 degree, doesn't matter. Whatever is your capacity, just lift your leg up, drop it down. We'll do it 2 to 3 times. Right leg up, without bending your knee. Right leg down, left leg up, down, right leg up, very slow movement, down, left up, down. Keep your spine slightly engaged. When I say engaged, you're just going to keep focus on your spine. Right leg down, now the left leg up and left leg down. Now bend your right knee to the chest. Hold your knee from your both the hands. Slowly keep pulling it to the chest as far as you are comfortable. Now keep your shoulders wide as you inhale. With the exhalation, you can lift your forehead to the knee. You can also be here, you can also be here. Just make sure that your head should be relaxed and your shoulder should be relaxed. Your left knee should be completely relaxed on the floor. Slowly drop your head down. Let your knee be here for a moment. Observe your spine. Now slowly release. Same thing goes the other side. Left knee to the chest. Keep pulling it to the chest. Now inhale. While you exhale, you're going to lift your forehead to the knee. It's okay if you can't touch your forehead to the knee, that's absolutely fine. But then make sure that your knee should be to the chest. Do not lift your another leg up. As your one knee is bent, your opposite knee should be completely relaxing on the floor. Drop it down. Now, bend your right knee to the chest. Open up your both the hands to shoulder level. From here, from the left hand, push your right knee to the left side. Look at your head, turn your head to the right side. Do not lift your shoulder off the mat. It's a very mild stretch. You can feel the twist in your spine. Come back to center. It goes down. Same thing the other side. Bend your left knee to the chest. From the right hand, push your knee to the right side. Here, this is the most normal case where you lift your shoulder up. So try to keep your shoulder down and look out. You can stay here as long as you want. Come to center. Now, the last stretch for the day. Keep your heels slightly away from your hip and slightly away from each other, okay? Slightly wider and slightly away from the hip. Now, keep your hands also away from the body. Slowly drop your both the knee on your right side without lifting your heel. Leave your leg loose. Same thing the other side. Turn, turn. Come to center. Now get your both the legs closer to the hip, hands closer. Slowly turn towards your side and you can sit up. These postures can be really relaxing when you practice every day. So out of 5 days, you can choose all these asanas and postures day by day. After your workout, you can add last 10 minutes and you can repeat them every day for your better flexibility, strengthen and for your back pain. Forward this video to someone who really need and who is suffering from back pain, can be helpful for them. Also, if you like the channel, kindly subscribe and also write your comment however you feel about it. Thank you so much.